Guys, I have brand new news, breaking news, gaga. So there were 10 MK members that were relieved of their duty. So their case has been accepted. They submitted their case because they believed that they were wrongly removed so that a space can be created for the EFF members, Abo Floyd Shivambu. Let me attach the copy here. So as someone did say that not everybody is going to be happy with Abo Floyd Shivambu coming to the MK, because obviously they're going to outshine them. Obviously they're going to get the positions that they are occupying. So these members, they're saying that they did not do anything wrong. So they feel like they were released and their ugxothwa kwabo was sort of fake. It was made up. It was the reason of them being released from duty was made up, and the real reason was to create space for Abo Floyd Shivambu. Let me just quickly attach so that you guys can see. Let me first read you this. So they are saying that the only interference to be drawn is that my and the second applicant's purported resignation had been fabricated to pave way for the termination of our membership and the removal from parliament to allow Floyd Shivambu and other former EFF members to replace us. Come and look at Tachele's names. So these are the names of the people that were removed. And MK. Some of them I know them when I see them, Gobuso, but I don't know their names. Or Tamsang, Isaac, Sinchon, Augustina, Nomato, Ntombenhle, Sidwell, Franz, Senzo, Agnes. So bayakhalaza ke ngokubana ugxothwa kwabo, it's not legitimate. So it's going to be heard by it's gonna be heard tomorrow. Tomorrow is 21, yeah, tomorrow. So we will hear again by outcomes zizawuthini na. Hey, and that's nobody it's bad, nobody it's good. Like andazi nje, like I genuinely don't know nam ba siphi ngoku. But one thing that you should trust is that ndizakuphathela iindaba ezi brand new from the box. I am going to bring you free of charge, brand new from the box. So I don't know, tell me what you think is gonna happen. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna make a difference of them complaining, because at the end of the day, I think the political party has got a right to fire whoever they want to fire. Or I don't know if I don't know if it's similar to kubana sometimes when you have been terminated at a workplace and it was a wrong termination, you can go to CCMA or Kazubana was wrongly fired. So I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if there can be anybody who can say, no, you were not supposed to terminate them. You were not supposed to remove them from parliament. Technically, I think that is their reason. That is their... they've got a right to do whatever they want, I would assume. So I don't know if these people are going to win this case, to be honest. But I don't know. I mean, I don't know evidence, and I don't know how they're going to present the case. So I actually don't know. But I'm curious to see how it's going to play out. Very interesting. Kunzima. Hayi ku tricky ku wow.